Earlier this week, the girls and I decided to have a Sweetheart Drift hangout session at the shop where Sky's Cressida is at. It's crazy because I've been hanging out in shops so often that it feels a lot like when I first started getting into cars and drifting. Much of the day was spent with Hannah's S14. Originally, she came in just to work on her exhaust. However, you know how things go, and it ended up being a whole bunch of other stuff. Little update on this thing. Yep. Love to see it. We all kind of pitched in and worked a little bit on Sky's car as well. It's definitely coming along, and there's a lot of exciting stuff coming up for the Cressida. Overall, it was a really great day with a whole lot of dogs. Once again, snowed in for the weekend. This weekend we got a pretty significant snowstorm. We got about 8 inches so far yesterday, and today we're supposed to get a bunch of freezing rain and ice. So because of that, we're not really going anywhere. I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who ordered a DK Ladies League banner. Those have all been sent out, so hopefully they arrive to you safely. I have 2 of them left. Actually I have 3. One of them is gonna go on my car. But if you want it, here it is. It's super cute. Fits on any car. You're gonna have to cut it. But Jake from Limiter Glove Company made these, and my best friend Kim designed them. So it directly supports paying for the track events, so it's gonna be a great season. I'm gonna have more of these banners made for hopefully the season opener at Mid Pond, and some new merch, and stay tuned for that stuff because we got some really cool stuff coming up. Don't really have any other updates for you this week. It's been kind of a hectic week at the school, and I haven't really worked on my car all that much, but I'm going to try to do some of that today. First though, I do need to meal prep for the week, so I'm gonna force you to all watch that. You can just scroll through it if you're not interested, but if I gotta do it, you gotta suffer with me. Manny and I have been meal prepping for a little over 3 years now. It is a lot on Sundays, but it's definitely helpful for the work week, not having to do any sort of cooking at all. Charlie is the overseer of our cooking. He has to inspect everything that goes in our plates. We try to keep it as healthy and well-rounded as possible, so I make these little snack packs that we eat throughout the week, and I just try to include a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables, hummus, nuts, aged cheese, that kind of thing. So many of you who know the old me know that I was an absolute sugarholic. So I do give myself some dark chocolate every single day. Otherwise, I will go absolutely crazy on some slushies or something ridiculous. So I try to avoid that now, just trying to take care of myself a little bit better. Oh, and that was only 2 days worth. So we have a whole another 2 days to get through. So I try to switch it up a little bit. Generally, I don't really cut up any fruits or veggies for the second half of the week until midweek, but every once in a while I'll cut up some cucumber or something. Usually stays pretty good. Come on, wiggle butt. Is that the pot pie? Usually I just kind of split this between my lunches and dinners each day, since it's kind of a lot of food. But this week we did a bolognese, we have a pot pie, because who doesn't love pot pie? By the way, if you don't, I can't be your friend. And finally, we decided to do some various sausage and veggies and sweet potato. So all that is left to sand is the trunk and the passenger side of the car. I figured I would just start with the trunk. Last time when I spray painted it, I never took the wing off, but I decided this time we're doing everything right. Gonna take the wing off, take all the little pieces off the trunk, and just get it done. I think I've spent over $100 in sanding discs by now. I've been using 180 and 220. I know it's pretty fine grit. I just really didn't want to have a bunch of swirl marks that I was going to have to deal with. The wrap is going to be temporary, and next off season the whole team is painting our cars. If you notice the little paw prints on my rear windshield, I had a little bit of a heart attack when I came downstairs in the garage and discovered that Charlie had made his way in here, which he is absolutely not supposed to. So I noticed his fur kind of felt sandy, and I don't mean to laugh because it's just horrifying knowing that he got on all this dust, but he's a very curious cat, and he finds his way into places. And you bet I'm going to do each and every detail on this thing. I just can't help myself. I know it's not about looking cute, when you're working on cars, but I feel like an absolute gremlin whenever I'm sanding this thing. I did find a brand new respirator pretty much like right at the end of sanding this car down, so yeah, that's a whole thing. Anyway, when I finally do get to wrapping it, you know I'm gonna wear some crazy goth outfit or something because I am just so sick of being sandy and grungy. And if you're wondering if I'm sick of sanding on the passenger side, the answer is absolutely yes. I am like so close to completion for this frickin' car. But I'm not going to be able to get it done tonight. I am completely cooked at this point. But I am going to try to finish it up tomorrow. Probably next week's video. We're going to switch it up a little. Can't wait. Can't frickin' wait. It's a day later and I decided to finish this thing and put this into the video. Passenger side is all done. The car is done. All the purple is gone. Goodbye, purple. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. It's time to clean.